Family.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family. My father, mother, sister, brother, and me.
Does your family live in a house or an apartment?
We live in a house in the countryside.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor. He works at the local hospital.
How old is your mother?
She is 42 years old, 1 year younger than my father.
Do you have any siblings? What's her name?
Yes, I do. I have 1 elder brother, Mark, and 1 younger sister, Susan.
Are you the oldest among your brothers and sisters?
No, I'm not. I'm the second child in my family.
What does your father or mother like?
My father likes playing football and my mother likes cooking.
Do your parents let you stay out late?
Of course not. They always ask me to get home before 9 p.m. each night.
Do you stay with your parents?
Right now, no, but I used to.
Does your family usually have dinner together?
Yes, we do. My mom always prepares delicious meals for us.
Hobbies.
What is your hobby?
I like playing sports, especially swimming.
Is your hobby common in your country?
Yes, kids, adults, and senior citizens all like swimming in my country.
Is your hobby the same as when you were a child?
Yes, I was fond of swimming when I was a little girl.
When did you start practicing that hobby?
I started swimming when I was 6 years old.
Is there anybody in your family who you share your hobby with?
My dad, he taught me how to swim.
How much time do you spend on your hobby?
I usually go to the swimming pool twice a week.
What benefits do you get from it?
Swimming is a really good workout. It helps me keep and chill out after a long day working.
Have you ever heard of someone having a very unusual hobby? What was it?
Yes, my cousin loves tattooing vehicles. He puts stickers everywhere on his car.
What do you think about someone having weird hobbies?
I don't think any hobby is weird. It's just what you like to do, so I don't judge others.
What hobbies are usually expensive in your country?
Playing golf is a really expensive hobby. Only the rich can afford to buy golf supplies.